wabarakatuh. This is name of thing in school. This is whiteboard. This is pen. This is pencil. This is rule. This is eraser. This is ruler. This is book. This is book action. This is dictionary. This is paper. This is chair. This is bed. This is door. This is window. This is pot. This is door. This is dustbin. Apa benda?